We're gonna see Big Bed. Come on, let's go. Okay. What's that? Do you like it?
Yeah.
You want to hop up?
Yeah.
Look who's in bed. Who's in bed? Pengo. She can't get in. Oh. Who's going to sleep in that bed tonight?
Me.
Yes.
Let me take your shoes off.
You want to lay down? Put your head on the pillow with Pengo? Who's a big girl?
You like your new bed?
It looks different, doesn't it?
It's a new.
Yeah. Who sleeps in this bed?
Me.
Because you're what?
Two.
Because you're two. Because you're a big girl.
Two.
That's how many you are. You're two.
I get up a bed. I get up.
You what?
Back
Aww.
to bed.
Aww. All right. You can say bye-bye?
Bye-bye.
Say, I sleep in big girl bed.
I see my big bed.
Okay, bye-bye.
I get there.